The upcoming 6.31 update will include a pump shotgun rebalance to improve effectiveness. Damage will increase in close quarters and range will be reduced slightly. Additionally, all shotguns will have a minimum damage of 3 pellets, even if only 1 or 2 hit. Alright, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, alright? I like it, but also, that's gonna be a buff for noob players as well. I mean, I agree there's no more 7-7-7, right? But when you hit a 7, you're literally doing, you're hitting 1 pellet, right? So now they're gonna make it so that you do like a minimum of like 27 damage, even if you only hit 1 pellet. So it's like if a bad player dinks you, I mean, I think for the most part it's gonna be a good thing. You know what I mean?
1 layer here, 1 here, put 1 down here. Oh, nice! I blew up all of Tilted Towers. Oh, you got hit by that? What have I done?
Wait, hold up. Yeah, okay. Bro.
Emotional. I'm not here to disagree with that.
I didn't even say that shit, so you can't disagree with any of that. I'm not saying that. I'm saying that he's disrespecting. You know what I mean, Tim? Like, if one of my people were disrespecting you, I'd check that ass. I'd say, yo, listen. Tim's,
no, you would not.
Tim's my, you know, yes, Tim may be large, but he's my large. You know, yes, Tim's head looks like a fucking onion, but it's my onion head. Yes.
Okay.
Tim's college football team is horrible, but that's my Tim's college football team.
Why you
know what I'm
this
saying?
stuff up,
Like,
bruh?
I got you. You mine. You messed up. You ugly, dumb ugly. But you my dumb ugly. If they say it, I say, whoa, whoa, whoa. You don't know Tim like that. I know Tim like that. So it's just different. Are you good, dude? Yo, BP, chill the fuck out. Just listen to what I'm saying.
He's a big potato. Alright, I made it. Perfect.
Is that only 1 guy?
I think so. Oh, shit. No, there's 2. Oh! Oh! Wait. Let's go, dude. I'm insane.
Erase, but he's gonna... Oh, he's not getting revived.
I smacked both of them and I got 1 kill. I almost got both kills, bro.
Bro, if I'm ugly, Tim is like not even like an organism. He's just like, just here. You know what I'm saying?
Can beam him.
Oh my god, what the hell?
Bad. Just do not shoot at them. They're doing a good job not shooting at us.
Oh my god, dude.
Where
do you want to go?
Cut away from them though. Go a bit more like free tilted. Yeah.
In retail, there he is. He's straight north.
Watch this shot. Oh. I didn't think I'd actually hit him, bro. That was lit. Wait.
Oh my god.
Now wait a minute.
Wait, there's someone up there still. Fuck is happening, man? Can instant knock him. He instant knocked me so fast.
Okay. Yeah, ramp. How do you ramp place like that?
My point is, and how it relates to the gorilla and the bear thing, is something that nobody seems to be understanding. Is every day I'm gonna role play I'm a gorilla, okay? I wake up, you know. This is a leaf. Just fucking eats a leaf, you know. And that's it! That's your fucking day! Your day's done! Maybe you fuck a female gorilla, and you had a really good day. But that is the day!
Down here. Oh god.
Myths suck each other toes.
The hell did he go? I'm about to get popped from somewhere else, dude. Either that or he's gonna break me down. I pushed, buddy!
Wait,
That's fucking annoying.
wait, how did I just die? What happened?
Dude, you just got fucking beamed, brother.
Wait, what?
Get beamed, doggy.
Get that.
Good thing there's a giant hole in the basement. Get right down there.
Stay hydrated, guys.
Hi, laser fight. I love my Negro. Oh, god damn
No,
it.
you
God
idiot!
damn it.
How'd you fall for that?
God damn it. Fuck you.
For everyone, it was knee, the leg,
was
like
knee,
something that's in your leg.
I didn't place a service. He took the damage before I did because it was his own rocket. So according to his client, communication. This is the only way I could think it happened because I hit him with a shotgun. You can see the shotgun blast hits him, but it doesn't actually show damage numbers. But the tag's in it. Yeah, he took damage from the rocket to himself before it affected me, so I won. That is absolutely server latency right there.
Can I
report you for having a higher ping?
No! Bro, just let... I'm going to name swap, and then in a month, somebody can take my name, and then we'll put on Reddit, okay?
Lupo!
Alright,
It's
perfect.
Lupo,
Sick, dude.
man.
That guy kind of looked like a stream sniper.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Easy.
What? He was underneath the stairs, and then when I started shooting at him, he just started emoting.
Monka.
Monka, dude. Got no proof.
Just playing the game, dude, you know? We out here.
Bro, these motherfuckers are invincible.
Oh my god!